Hi, Joe. Well, Moderna has looked at its vaccine's effectiveness against these new variants we've been hearing about, B.1.1.7 and B.1.351, associated with the UK and South Africa, and found that against the B.1.1.7 UK variant, no discernible difference in the immune response against that variant. Against the South African one, as we have been hearing from experts like Dr. Fauci, there is an impact on the neutralization of that variant with the vaccine, and declined by sixfold. That sounds scary, but Moderna saying in this release just now that they still think the antibody levels are high enough to work well against that variant. Nonetheless, they do say they are testing both a booster shot of the current vaccine as well as working on a vaccine that could address this variant and moving that into early trials. Now, joining us to tell us more about this is Moderna's CEO, Stéphane Bancel. Stéphane, thanks for being with us this morning. You know, you guys are the first company, I believe, to say you are actually working on a new vaccine version to address these variants. Tell us about what you found this morning and the decision to do this.
Well, good morning, Meg, and thank you for having us back. So indeed, we announced this morning that we posted last night a manuscript between the NIH team and the Moderna scientists looking at those new variants, especially B.1.1.7 first found in the UK and B.351 first found in South Africa. The great news with both viruses, we see very high level of antibody. With B.1.1.7 strain from the UK, we basically see the same level of antibody as we saw in the strain that has been circulating in the US and as shown in the phase 3 trial, leading to the FDA authorization, very high efficacy. So we feel very good about that strain. And as you know, the CDC has said that strain will become the dominant strain in the US by March. So that's a very good thing. For the South Africa strain, we still see a very high level of antibody. It is higher than convalescent sera, but it is indeed lower than the traditional strain and the B.1.1.7. And so we believe the vaccine will be protective in the short term. What is unknowable right now is what will happen in 6 months, in 12 months, especially to the elderly, because as you know, they have a weaker immune system and the immunity might go down over time. And because of that unknown, and Moderna wants to always stay at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, we decided to take into the clinic, out of an abundance of caution, a new vaccine called mRNA-1273.351 for the South Africa strain that we're going to be testing in the clinic very quickly. Our goal, and we're going to have a good alignment with the FDA soon, but our goal will be to run a very quick boost, a single dose, into potentially the phase 1 study that, as you know, was started last March in the US. So it will be kind of at the 1-year anniversary. We'll run that boost and get that data to look at the neutralizing antibody. And we're going to do that both for mRNA-1273, the current authorized product, but also for mRNA-1273.351 for the new strain. And then we're going to expand that to the phase 3 to boost the phase 3 participant, again, a single dose, to get that data. Like this, if in the fall there is a need because of waning immunity into the elderly to put on the market that strain, we will be ready. We cannot be behind. We cannot fall behind this virus. We just wanted to be cautious, not for now, but for the future.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.